Jai Shri friends. One day, Mullah Nazruddin saw the village schoolmaster leading a group of children towards mosque. Mullah asked, "For what you are taking them?" Schoolmaster answered, "Lord hears the cry of the innocent." Mullah said, "It isn't the cries whether innocent or criminal. The Lord hears too, but wisdom and awareness." "Prove it," said the schoolmaster in anger. "If the prayers of children counted for anything, you wouldn't be there. And for that matter, no teacher would be there in the whole land, for there is nothing they so detest as going to school." Yes, friends, Lord listens keenly to the wisdom and awareness with which we fight our daily life battle. In the Gospel, we see a Jesus who prayed the whole night on the mountain before choosing the 12. And all throughout his life, we see Jesus was a man of prayer. Though he was God incarnate, he prayed and prayed earnestly before every act. As the scripture testifies, apart from his regular intimacy time with the Lord, he prayed 40 days in the desert before starting his public ministry. Now, before choosing his apostles, again on his way to Jerusalem, he prayed at Mount Tabor, where he was transfigured. He prayed in the Garden of Gethsemane to be strengthened before facing the trials and suffering. In this occasion, what Jesus must have prayed to Abba? Surely, I believe for wisdom. Wisdom to prudently discern and choose the 12 out of the crowd whom he can appoint authoritatively to carry out his mission. He must have prayed for the 12 so that they may be faithful to him all throughout. He might have prayed for the power to lead them and to get down to them. Yes, to wrap up, Jesus prayed for 3 things, which in the following morning he could effectively carry out. First, he chose the 12 authoritatively, calling their names out of the crowd to follow him. Secondly, remember, he doesn't call the qualified, but qualifies the chosen ones as he gives them power over demons and the grace to heal and be with him. Thirdly, the scripture testifies in verse 17, "And he came down with them and stood on a level place." Yes, authority is best exercised in coming down or leveling the gulf. As someone said, life is not to be prayed and finished, but prayer is to be lived and fulfilled. It's a challenge before us. At times we can't discern what is good for us, whom we need with us. Other times, even if we discern, we don't have the courage to act authoritatively as per the discernment. And sometimes, when we do both these, we lack the humility to stand on the plains with those whom we work. To listen and work in the grassroots level, it's very important to come down. Jesus did all these 3 things effectively because his prayer gave him the wisdom, courage, and humility to be a good leader. Are you then ready